Well, what does the Bible say about that? What, when Christ returns, how many will receive the reward? Pila tanan maka-receive sa reward? Sa diyan mo ba ni si Jesus Christ o sa niyang dala?
Reward.
Ha?
Reward. And then every month for the
Pila ka mo makadawat sa reward?
every month.
Every month. So, the tao, every month, no? So, ang simbahan, i-rapture 7 years before the Advent, is it teaching? The right teaching? Yung ba, nagunaw na 7 years before, mubalik si Jesus Christ, ipang-rapture itong mga matarong. Thus, mo ba nang isulti sa Bible? Well, ang uban po nagunaw na mabiling dire, napay tsansa na magilungsol. Okay? Managin na sa 7 years gap. Uban ang pag-rapture, sikreto. Now let's, ato na tunan ka no. Kung sa iyo sa Bible about this rapture. Nabasikan siya, sikreto ba siya, may bawal ba sa uban? Ato yung tuman na ang Ginoo manhin with the reward of everyone according to their work. There are only two guys sa iuli ang kan. Di pa iuli. Sige, balik na, sige. Tagaan na lang sa balik na. Now, the idea has been proposed and received wide acceptance among today's Christian. There are only two groups of people. Diba? Katong nasirhan sa kalawasan o naluwas. The righteous, nga diyan nagpadayon silang pagka-righteous, o the wicked who become more wicked. Now, according to their reward, what is the reward? According to their wickedness or according to the righteousness? Okay? When Jesus Christ will come, Jesus Christ will come with the reward.